do-it-yourself solar inverter project, starting with a $76 lithium phosphate battery from Harbor Freight, followed by a $24 Jupiter 400-watt inverter from Harbor Freight. Next, we have the solar controller that came with the $25 Temu 100-watt solar panel. This is Temu's $25 100-watt solar panel. This is the complete setup for demonstration. Let's take a closer look at the main components. Set up and ready to go through the whole setup.
Okay, a quick overview of a small solar setup I have to give light power to my utility shed. Forgive my pointers to pencil. Solar panel I got from Temu, 20 bucks. Battery from Walmart, Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, 76 bucks. Solar controller came with the solar panel. I bought 3 of them, so it cost me 60 bucks. I'm just using one. And the inverter came from Harbor Freight. I got the fan hooked up just to show that it's working. Looking at the solar controller, you can see the solar panel is charging the battery. Sorry about the shaky camera work, but now we have a wire, and this is type a plug and play type here too. So 8mm plug here. And this cable comes with the solar panel, but I have the solar panel running to the solar controller, and it's marked here. If you can see the positive, negative, and the same for the battery, positive, negative. So then you run a wire from the positive, negative of the solar controller, positive, negative on the battery. And then from the battery, you clamp on your inverter cables. The inverter is on. See, it's working. Got power. Got the fan running. You also have USB ports here that you can use. There's also a light switch here. I'm not using the light switch because I'm running lights from the inverter. I have this set up on an old TV stand. This cost me 70, 90, 110 bucks total. And I have power to my shed. These solar panels you can upgrade. These are just 20 bucks each. I got them from Temu. They've been working great so far. You can get any kind of solar panels you want. It's basically the same setup. Solar panel goes to the charge controller. Charge controller charges your battery, keeps it charged, and if your battery powers the inverter, and that powers your appliances or tools. Just a real quick setup. I have it set up on an old TV stand, but it should be something stationary, something easily accessible, and I can disconnect the battery. I can disconnect the solar panel. I have a connection there. Disconnect solar panel, and of course you have your clamps. So you can disconnect your inverter from the battery. It's pretty reliable. Been running a long time. This is like the 3rd one I've done for different sheds, and they've been working pretty good. You can also buy a solar generator. Same principle, except You won't have this controller. You won't have this battery. You'll have the solar panel plugging directly into your solar generator, and that has all the components inside. So if you don't want to fool with a battery, running wires, or inverter, solar controller, and inverter, for another couple $100, you can get you a solar generator and some panels, and it's the same thing. You'll be in business. Thank you. Hope this helps.